What's good YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm Alxr, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways of how to lace your Vans Sk8 Highs. So it's just 3 different ways. I'm going to do it loosely, factory laced, and then like the kind of skater look. Before getting into the video though, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below, turn the bell to get notifications when I upload, which is every single day. Make sure to leave a thumbs up too. Without further ado, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to lace your Vans Sk8 Highs. Let's get into it. So for me personally, I think it's much easier to lace your shoes whilst they're on. So I've got them on now, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to completely unlace both of them. So now that I've completely unlaced them, I'm going to get into the first way. So the first way I'm going to show you is how to lace them loosely. So I'm just going to take the laces, thread it through the bottom like this on the outside going inwards. Take the other side, and then thread that through the outwards going inwards as well. Then before pull up, I'm going to take the top of the laces, these bits here, make sure they're the same length at the top like that, and then just pull up and grab this bottom bit, and now they're the same length and they're both like equal on both sides. So I'm just going to take the inside lace, just like that, and then thread it through the outside, and then I'm going to keep it loose as well, because we're lacing them loosely, so just leaving that little bit there. Then taking the outside lace and then putting it through the inside like that, and then the same, just keeping it loose like that, and then taking the inside again and putting that through the outside, and then the outside through the inside. And then I'm just going to do the same process going all the way up until I get to this little bit here. So just going from the inside to the outside over the top, just like that. And then the outside going into the inside, just like that. And once you get to this little bit here, you have that gap in the tongue. I'm going to take the inside lace. I'm going to thread it through. Sometimes I don't, but on Vans Sk8 Highs the tongue's so big that it will just move around otherwise. So I'm just going to take the inside lace, thread it through like that, keeping the lace straight, and then putting the inside lace through the outside like so. Then taking the outside lace, putting it over the top but underneath still, over the top of the other lace, underneath, and then through the outside into the inside. So it just looks like that. And then I'm going to take the inside lace, this is the last bit now to give them that loose look, so taking the inside lace, threading it through this top bit here, then just pulling it out and leaving that bit dangling over the edge. We'll sort it out in a minute, but for the meantime it's just going to look like that. And taking the outside and then threading that into the inside, and then I'm just going to pull all the way down, and then use my thumbs on the side bits here and then just pull them outwards. And that's how they look. So you can see that the laces just hang over the edges. And now I'm going to do the exact same thing that I've done on this shoe, So that's the first way, and that's how to loosely lace your Vans Sk8 Highs. Now I'm going to get in to show you what they look like on feet. So before getting to showing you the second way, I'm going to show you another way of how to loosely lace them, and that's pulling these top bits and then pulling the laces going down just to make them slightly tighter but not too much, and taking the top bits and then just loosely lacing them. So getting into the second way, I'm going to show you how to give them that factory look. So I'm just going to unlace them and then just pull upwards, tightening them up. Just like that, but keeping the laces straight whilst I'm doing it. So taking the laces and just pulling them upwards like that, taking 2 fingers just like that and pinching them, and then just threading this lace here underneath through the bottom, through that little gap, and you just pull up with the 2 laces just like that, so it looks like that, and then you can just go ahead and then loosen them off. So you just have that little lace like that. I'll do the same for the other. So it's just unlacing them, putting them slightly tighter, keeping the laces flat, taking the laces like so, then you just pinch them like that, take the laces, and then you just poke the laces from underneath. So you have that gap there, and then you can just pull the laces up like that. So this is the factory lace look. Now I'm going to get into showing you what these look like on feet. So for the third and final way, I'm just going to give it that skater look. So I'm just going to take the laces out, then pull up kind of tight but not too tight. You don't want to strangle your feet, but just pulling up tightly like so. And then for this way, I'm going to lace it all the way up to the top. So I'm going to take the laces out here because we did go underneath and you want to go over the top. So you just take the inside lace, thread that through the outside, and then keeping the laces flat, and then the outside lace, threading that through the inside. And I'm going to take the inside lace, thread that underneath rather than over the top, just like so. Then pull, and then take the outside lace, thread it underneath also, and then pull, and then I'm just going to take the laces and just lace them up. And then I'm going to double knot them also. So they look just like that, and that's like the common skater way of wearing them. I'll do the same for the other one now also. So it's just pulling the laces tight, keeping them flat whilst doing so. So this is the third and final style. Personally, the loose look's my favourite, especially with blue jeans too, but make sure to let me know in the comments how you like to wear your Vans Sk8 Highs, how do you like to lace them. Before getting to the on feet for this style, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below and turn on the bell to get notifications when I upload, which is every single day. I do daily uploads. I've also done a how to lace your Vans old schools, so if you want to check out that video, I'll leave a link in the description. If this video was helpful and if you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a thumbs up. I'm going to get on to showing you what this style looks like on feet now. I'm out. Peace.
Damn, back at it again. Skip with the Vans, fresh the hoodie. Keep my pocket smelling of money. Taking out, nah, don't be funny. What's attractive at a hook? This one, Peter Pan, come on, they sing along. Told him the plan. He said, come kick it in Neverland. Moved a few pair of shoes, made a couple of grand. Blue and Gucci, I'm back on the web, cloud surfing the bands. Come with a new naughty Spider-Man. Hey, Spidey.